Hey guys, so yun, andito ulit tayo to get the random refine box. Now, just go to runmobile.com and you know it. Just the same sa pagkuha ng find bore and locks. Now, just go click the upper right corner lines, three lines, then on the left corner below the user, just click the event with pumpkin icon. Then here you go. Just scroll down and click this one, the question mark, yung box na may question mark. Then day 25 requirement, attendance only. So yun nga guys, wala kayong babayaran, libreng-libre to. Kung marami kayong character, edi go. So yun, complete attendance, then this one will be sent to your email. Okay, now let's go to our character to get the random refine box. So yun, nandito na tayo sa character natin, naka-online na tayo, and just click the three dots on the upper right corner again, then just click mail. Now you can get the random refine box. Now just claim it and it will be directed to your inventory. Now, eto na nga. So yun guys, just open this one. So, let's say, and ang makuha nyo dito is Lux, Fine Bore, Protection Potion, and Bore. So, yun guys. Yan. Alright, so yun, Protection Potion nakuha ko. Sayang, hindi Bore. Pang-upgrade sana ng weapon. So, yun guys. If you have a lot of characters, then that's good. Pwede nyo benta, pwede nyo gamitin. So, yun lang guys. I hope na ma-redeem nyo yung random refine box nito. Today lang to Huwag nyo kakalimutan. Bye!